Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Savage, and I'm bringing you back with another banger. So this time guys, I will be doing another fidget spinner video. You guys really seem to enjoy my fidget spinner videos. So you know guys, I gotta get you more because you guys really enjoy them. So yeah, this time guys, I'll be doing a fidget spinner stack. I've seen some YouTubers do this, so let's just get into the video. So yeah, first fidget spinner, it's the LED one. Video stack. It's not gonna work. Oh, shoot. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with this one. Oh, shoot. Oh, guys, this is really harder than it looks. Oh, this is so frustrating. Click like, cause this is like really frustrating. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I have some help here to help me with this thing. So, Drake fake. Alright. You have to spin it, right? Do you have to? Okay. Grab those. Oh, he's almost there, guys. Got two more. Almost there. He's almost there, guys. Wow. Awesome. I still count though. I did it. Spin a roll. Alright. Ready for the chat? So he's stacking it. I'm not very good at this. Alright. No. She's probably gonna help me out because I've almost never heard of this challenge. That one, and let's do this one last. Come on. Yes, we got it. Okay guys, so this time we're gonna be doing another order. I don't even know the color of the rainbow, but we're gonna try and do it. Shit, I think the red goes first. Yeah. So let's just do the LED first. Yeah, start with the LED. Another LED, so let's just do this one. Yeah. What goes second? Let's go second. I don't know. Let's the ultimate spinner. Right, we're trying to do it again. Guys, if we can do it 2 times in a... Let's do it. Guys, if we can... Oh, no. Okay, you know it's gonna go fast. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. I'm timing you. 5 Mississippi. 6 Mississippi. 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi. Oh no! That kind of counts. So I guess it is. 11 Mississippi. All right, let me try this. You time on me. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Okay, let me start all over. Ready? 1 Mississippi. Oh my gosh. 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. 5, 8 Mississippi, I suck at this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not very good at this.
Okay. One last time, guys.
Yeah. For both of us.
I'll let you get last.
Okay.
Last fidget. I really want to do this.
Last fidget will be this one.
Yeah.
Look at that. Like, look how much that spins. It's awesome.
Oh my god. Yeah guys, hope y'all enjoyed this fidget spinner video. I know I've made so many, but yeah, hope y'all really enjoyed this fidget spinner video. If you want more, just comment down below. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this fidget spinner stack video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.